Look at what we've got! This is exciting! Tamiya Dynahead 6x6 vehicle, the G601 chassis. I have been looking at one of these for years. There's something about the design of this truck, that big front bulkhead, the 6-wheel drive. I don't know. I mean, I know it's not going to crawl as good as an Axial or a Traxxas. It's not a basher. It's not a crawler. It's a I don't know. It's a Tamiya, however you want to say it. That's how I'm going to say it. But I've always been really interested in this truck for some reason. I always had a fascination with it. And now there's one sitting right here on the workbench. Has 4-wheel steer capability. I don't know if I'm going to be able to put that in there or not. I do expect that it can climb up some good inclines. They talk about how this thing has just a ridiculous number of gears in the driveline. Not drive shafts going between those things. It's just gears to get from wheel to wheel to wheel. It's kind of crazy. So I am very interested to see. It's actually got a gear reduction, like portal units already on here. In fact, Tamiya was the first one. Look at them. They were already out there. It is a kit, so I do need to provide a controller and a ESC and a receiver and a servo and all that. So what are we going to go with? We have the Zuske 35 kg, our go-to servo that we use especially for all of our crawlers. We've got the Dumbo RC 6-channel controller. Really, really great value at like $30 for one of these things. Love them for what they are. And then last, but of course not least, Hobbywing 1080 crawler ESC. So yes, we are going brushed with this thing. Yes, I may also consider going brushless just for the heck of it. I may make this into a crawler. I may try to put this brushless and make it into a basher. I don't know what the heck I'm going to do with this thing yet. I know what the first thing is though. We are going to build it. So let's get this thing open and see what it looks like on the inside. Okay, so this is one thing that really, let's call it grinds my gears. So here I am, this is almost a $300 kit. And you're gonna tell me it comes with bushings instead of bearings? Plastic bushings, brass bushings, are you kidding me? So I have already spent a good chunk of money and bought bearings after bearings after bearings to replace the junk bushings. It's 2020, folks. It's 2021. Excuse me. It's 2021, folks. This is ridiculous. This is not okay. How did it do that? I think. All right, the Tamiya Dynahead. Its first drive out here at the Big Buddha's RC Ranch. Final thoughts with it. The diffs did not get as locked as they needed to be in order to really do any crawling with it. I had some random steering issues throughout the way where it seems like the steering links actually got bent and I'd have to bend them back. You know, a lot of stuff like that. Now, so let's be honest though, this truck is not designed to be a good crawler. I mean, let's just be honest with ourselves. It's fun, and I had a blast with it out here today for sure. But it's just not really designed for that. So, but you know, it was good, it was fun. It actually surprised me, even with these tires on it, how much stuff it did go over. So that's actually really cool. It really makes me think, like, I need to do all the work, unfortunately, to tear it all the way back down, make sure those diffs are locked, and then actually figure out what are some decent tires that would actually fit on this, that would be sticky, that would make this thing actually really crawl much better. Because otherwise, besides that, it did well, and so overall pretty happy with it. So hey, do you have one of these Tamiya Dynaheads? You know, this is my first foray in with the Dynaheads. Give me any tips or tricks down below. I'd love to hear them. But hey, thanks for following along on my first ever Dynahead adventure. Let me know down in the comments any feedback you have. In the meantime, I'm going to go work on some more videos. You come over here, check out some of this other stuff that we have going on, and we will see you next time. Thank you for the support. Goodbye.